Hey guys, hi, this is SUHA. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. It feels like yesterday I was just filming for Eid Fitr video. Here I am again back with another Eid makeup tutorial. So if you guys don't know, I have a whole playlist with a bunch of Eid makeup looks. So if you guys are interested, you can click the link above and it will lead you straight to that playlist where you can choose from a bunch of looks I have created. So if you guys are interested to see how I created this super dramatic Eid makeup, then keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel and you love makeup, then don't forget to subscribe. And without any further ado, let's move on with this tutorial. The final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a comment down below. It would mean so much. And I wish you all a wonderful Eid, and I hope to see you soon in my